Are you feeling overwhelmed by the endless stream of shallow, sensational news that offers little more than irrelevant noise? It's frustrating to sift through headlines that lack depth and fail to provide meaningful insights. That's where NewsBang comes in. Powered by AI, NewsBang delivers content that respects your intelligence and curiosity while allowing you to interact with the news like never before. With its advanced AI features, you can ask questions, dive deeper into topics, and gain instant insights, making your news experience more engaging, personalized, and meaningful. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, open your web browser and type NewsBang in the search bar. Click on the first link to access the official page. NewsBang transforms news into value, offering a smarter way to stay informed. You can download the app for iOS or Android, making it easy to access on any device. The app allows you to swipe through insights, dive deeper into topics, and even listen to the news like a podcast. While listening, you can ask questions or type your concerns to get more in-depth information and clarify any doubts, helping you avoid misinformation. NewsBang's AI brings results from multiple sources, all displayed on one screen for a seamless and comprehensive news experience. To get started, download the app. As an Android user, I'll choose Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your Google account or email. After logging in, you'll see the main interface. At the top, you can select categories like top stories, business, technology, politics, entertainment, sports, science, or health. For example, let's choose technology. The app instantly brings up the latest news, such as major upgrades coming to iPhone 17 series, promotion, displays, reverse charging, and new Air model. At the top of the article, you will find an image, and below, you'll see that the news is sourced from 30 different outlets. If you want to read more, simply click on any source, and the full article will open within the app. NewsBang's AI is a powerful ability that revolutionizes the way users interact with news. It allows you to ask questions about any news topic, making the experience interactive and engaging. For example, if you're curious about how DeepSeek technology can be used, you can simply type your question into the platform. The AI scours multiple credible sources, analyzes the information, and delivers a comprehensive answer. What's more, it includes citations from 6 different outlets, ensuring the information is well-rounded, accurate, and trustworthy. This innovative feature not only simplifies the process of understanding complex topics, but also empowers users to gain deeper insights into the news they care about. It transforms passive news consumption into an active learning experience, making it easier to stay informed and explore topics in greater depth. NewsBang AI makes staying informed easier than ever. With its unique left swipe for AI Q&A feature, you can instantly get AI-generated answers and insights on any news topic. Just swipe left on an article and the AI will summarize, explain, or even provide related context, helping you understand the news better and faster. In addition to this, NewsBang offers another standout feature called PodTalk.
Thanks for tuning in to Alice and Brad. I'm Alice, and today we're diving into a fascinating development in the tech world that's causing quite a stir.
This feature takes the convenience of news consumption to the next level by integrating AI-powered interactivity into podcast-style news. While listening to the news in podcast format, you can press a key to ask the AI any question related to the content. For instance, you could ask, "What is DeepSeek AI?" Let's wait for the NewsBang's response and listen to it for a while.
Hang on, let me think. DeepSeek AI is a Chinese startup making waves in the tech world with its open-source large language models. Founded in 2023 under the umbrella of Highflyer, a hedge fund based in Hangzhou, DeepSeek quickly gained attention for its innovative AI tools. Their models are designed to compete with industry giants like OpenAI and Google, but with a twist. Good thought. Back to headlines.
This seamless integration of AI with audio news ensures that you can stay informed and engaged, even on the go. Together, these features make NewsBang a cutting-edge platform for news enthusiasts, combining the power of AI with the convenience of modern technology to deliver a truly interactive and insightful news experience. You can also share news with friends and colleagues with just a click. Stay ahead with NewsBang's Morning Brew. Subscribe now to get the top headlines delivered straight to you at 8 a.m. Concise, insightful, and AI curated for a smarter start to your day. Never miss a beat. Get the latest updates before the world wakes up. NewsBang is a powerful AI-driven ability that makes staying updated smarter and more efficient. With its ability to summarize, provide insights, and interact with news, it's the ultimate platform for staying informed. Download NewsBang today and experience the future of news. NewsBang is available for both iOS and Android users, and it can be downloaded and used completely free. Try NewsBang today and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Guru Tech Solutions for more AI-related content.